What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. We're gonna be working on the Civic today. Gonna be doing some welding and grinding on the engine bay. Let's just go ahead and get right into it. Alright, so this is actually going pretty quick. Got most of the welds done already. I'm going to show you what it's looking like. So there on the right is the weld, and on the left side, that's it ground down. No more hole. So now, just got to grind all these welds flat, and then I think I'm going to try and get some filler on them today too. Alright, got all the welds on the core support ground down. I'm gonna go ahead and wipe some filler on that and just see how it looks. Alright, we're getting there. We're getting there. I think we're gonna stop here for today. Pretty much all we got left to do now is sand down all the filler in the bay, sand the engine bay, and get some primer on it. So hopefully this thing should be looking a lot better here pretty soon. But for now, I'm gonna go, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.